Welcome back to Virtual Reality. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. Today I have something very special for you. I never expected that this will happen. This is the unbelievable XTAL 8K. Holy shit! The most expensive VR headset you can buy. I think so, at least. So this has 2 times 4K, two 4K displays, Auto-IPD, hand tracking and all the other stuff, custom lenses. We will unbox this in this video, so let's see what's in this package. You can find everything about VR and AR on this channel thanks to my sponsors VoodooDE VR, Oppermann Events, Peter Wasmeier, Andi de Velser, VR Ambassador and Virtual Escape. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go!
VoodooDE.
Okay guys, so here we are and holy shit, it's really very exciting for me to touch this package here because, you know, this is one of the, or even the most expensive VR headset on this planet as far as I know, and it looks very nice. You see the big X here and wow, this is absolutely crazy. And here it says, proudly crafted in Europe by VRGINEERS. VRGINEERS are in Prague, so I will check it out now. So here we have a welcome letter, welcome to your new XTAL setup guide, and here they say how that works, log into your VRGINEERS portal, download VR tool, connect it to your graphics card and stuff, enjoy your experience. Very short, but you will find all the stuff online. And here we have a little VR accessories package, and this is a little cleaning cloth here from VRGINEERS. And also these are 2 small dongles here. I still have no idea what they are made for. No idea, but we will find that out, of course, when I will review and try the headset. That's for sure. So yes, let's put that to the side. And now here it comes. Holy shit! Look at this, guys. Look at this. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that a big monster? It is a big monster, I can tell you. So let's get this out of here. So here we go. Oh yes, let's put the package to the side. We don't need it because there's nothing inside. Look at this guy here. Look at this guy. Crazy, crazy, right? This is the biggest thing I've ever seen. Wow. Handle it carefully. It's expensive. So, this is more expensive than my car, by the way. So yeah, let's check it out. I will show it to you. So as you can see from the front here, it has this looks like a cage, but this is only an add-on, this cage here, and this means you can have Steam VR tracking. Look at the little tracking dots here. They are for Steam VR, for lighthouse tracking, but you can also remove the cage if you just push these 2 buttons, and then you can remove it. And also here it's connected to USB-C. You can remove the cage because this headset is also able to use other tracking methods like, for example, OptiTrack. Then on the front you can also see the cameras that are made for the hand tracking. It has a very big field of view for the hand tracking, and that's really awesome. And yeah, we can see here is the audio connector, and the XTAL 8K has integrated sound card. That means we have full 3D audio just inside the headset, and that's crazy. We have manual IPD here on the side, the two wheels here, but you can do that manually, but you can also do that automatically. So I will show you the lenses now, and they are so crazy. Normally you would see the little rings on the lenses from the Fresnel design, but these lenses are completely custom. Look at this. They are so clear. There is nothing you can see Holy shit, really crazy. And that also means you will have no God ray effects because there's no Fresnel. And also, I hope you can see it here, there are the eye sensors. So that means you can use it that your eyes are tracked, and also the mechanics can also adjust the IPD for you. They scanning your eyes, and then two motors are moving the lenses so that it will align correct to your IPD, to your eye distance, and that's totally crazy. Here we have the USB connector for accessorize, like here the SteamVR tracking. You can also use other stuff. Here's the built-in microphone. And also this is removable here, the face leather. Also this is, everything is removable here. And yeah, we will see that very, very soon. Holy shit, this is a really huge guy here, a really huge monster. And of course, there's one thing I can already tell you. You will have to wait a little bit for my review, because look at this here. This has virtual link connector. This is only one USB-C device. And as you perhaps know, when you followed my channel, I just bought a new RTX 3090 and it has no virtual link. So you cannot use the new RTX series with the XTAL, but there is an adapter, and VRGINEERS will send me an adapter. I have no idea how long that takes, or I will get a 2080 Ti. Perhaps somebody of you can borrow me a 2080 Ti for some days, I don't know, or 1 week or 2 weeks. Otherwise it will perhaps take a longer time for the adapter to arrive. We will see. However, let's wear that. And you have the wheel here, and then you can just put it on your head and then tighten it, and you have the the strap here as well. Okay. And yeah, it's comfortable inside, but it is really, really, really heavy. You can even feel it pulling your head down. I can already tell that to you. But this is made for simulators. So you will have some accessories like a big helmet for flight simulators, for pilots, or even for racing simulators. That means you wear the headset with a helmet included, and that's really crazy. So the weight will be spreaded a lot. So yeah, this headset has two 4K displays, and that's really awesome. I'm totally looking forward to try that as soon as I have an adapter or a 2080 Ti, and then I will show it to you. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss all the stuff, and then we will see. If you want to support me, to help me spread VR, please do that via Patreon. You can already find pictures, detailed pictures of the 8K, of the XTAL 8K today on Patreon and YouTube membership. Only $1 per month, and you could support me a lot. That would be really, really awesome. Also, you get behind the scenes videos and early access to some of my videos. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya!
VoodooDE